Hello viewers, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I am going to show you how you can get pre-approved and pre-qualified loans and credit cards offers in your mail and in your email. It's really simple, it's really straightforward. But before going forward with this video, please subscribe the channel, and if you would like to support us, then like the video and comment below with your feedbacks and questions. Thank you so much, and let's start the video. So first you need to open your browser, and in your browser you need to write www.optoutprescreen.com, right? So let me tell you what is optoutprescreen.com is. It's actually a service that is backed by Equifax, Experian, Innovis, and TransUnion, means by huge and big credit bureaus. So what it does is actually ask you for your permission to share your data with banks and financial institutions, means your credit report to banks and financial institutions, so they can actually send you their offers, like the credit card offers and loans offers. It's quite simple and quite straightforward, and it's completely safe, right? So what do you need to do? You need to scroll down in this website and you need to click right here. Click here to opt in or opt out. As soon as you click here, this page will open, right? It will ask you your name, address, social security number, date of birth. Don't worry about it. It's completely safe because it's actually a service by the actual credit bureaus, right? So you need to scroll down, and as you need to opt in, so you need to click on opt in and you need to continue. So remember, whenever you feel like you don't want to get this pre-qualified and pre-approved offer, I don't understand why someone will not want this, but if you don't want this, you can always opt out for 5 years and permanently opt out, like in your so you'll not get any offer in your life. But you need to opt in right now, so click on opt in and click continue. So as soon as you do that, it will open this form where you need to enter your first name, your middle initials, last name, and other information, including your social security and date of birth. Again, it's completely safe. It's backed by the actual credit bureaus, right? But remember, what do you need to do? You need to enter the information that exactly available and matches your credit report. Means the information that is present on your credit report, you need to put the exact same information right here, including your social security number, your date of birth, your address. Okay, so the question is, why you need your address? You need your address right here because then you will get the pre-approved and pre-qualified offers from banks and financial institutions on this address's mailbox, right? So this is very simple. Please, there's one more website where you can do that, and it's actually for, you know, community bank and other credit card companies that use that website, but I will create a separate video for that one. But for this one, this is really important. Please, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video. It will help us spread the word to other people on YouTube community. And please let me know in the comment below if you already did this, or you are doing it, or you already knew about it, right? Thank you so much. See you in the next video.